Hello my amazing people, welcome back again to Susan Good TV. How are you all doing? I hope fine. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I made this delicious sauce. It's paprika and tomato sauce. Let's get to it, guys. So we'll be using two red bell pepper and tomatoes, two balls of tomatoes, and we're using shrimps and just pieces of turkey and melusa fish and onions. All right, guys. So the way I chop my onions is gonna be just not too little, not too big. You'll see how I cut it. So how you cut yours, guys, is optional. All right, I don't want it to be too cooked, and I fear that if it's too big, I might be chewing it, and I don't want to be like chewing it to be a little bit soft, but not too soft. The same thing goes with my red bell pepper, which we call paprika. So the way I'm going to cut these onions, I'm going to remove the seed from one, and I'll be removing the seed from the. I will not be removing the seed from the other one. All right. The reason I'm doing it this way because if I don't remove the seed from both, there's gonna be too much water in my sauce. You know, you are making sauce. We don't want it to be too watery, but if it's still too dry, to not be interesting. So how you do it, just let it moderate. So that's why you see I remove seed from the first one, but the other one I love the seed there. So I decided to just add a little turkey to it, you know, because I'm using fish and I'm using shrimps and I'll be using egg too. So I just want to have something to chew along with the rice. So this sauce, one amazing thing about it is you can use it for yam, plantain, and rice, or even potato. This is how I sauce my melusa fish. If you want your melusa fish to taste good, you know, for the ingredients you use to go in, sauce it like this and you will enjoy it. You know, first you have to add salt. You add, if you don't have liquid maggi, this is what I just used now, you can add your seasonal cube or powder to water and or to lemon and melt it so it become like liquid, then you can put it in. It is very necessary, guys, because my husband would not like to eat it if you don't feel any taste in it. So this is how you do it. So after putting everything you feel like you want to put, so you mix it very well and just cover it for about 20 to 30 minutes. Let everything go in, guys. When you are eating this, you would really enjoy it. So after this time now, that's when I'm going to fry it. So here is my deep fryer pot. This is what I'm going to be using to fry the fish. You see the color has changed because everything, the ingredients has really gone inside. Like, guys, when you are eating it and you will enjoy it. So I'm going to be using half seasoning cube to steam the shrimps. I added salt to the oil already, so I don't need to add salt to it. So guys, this is how I want it. So guys, I want to use this opportunity to say thank you so much for your support, both my new and my old subscribers. I really appreciate you all for turning up to support our channel. Thank you so much, and God bless you for your help and for your support. So guys, please do help us to share this video, give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to our channel if you've not subscribed. Thank you so much. So the reason I am adding to the tomatoes very late, because I don't want the tomatoes to be soft, like to be too cooked. That's why I'm adding it late. And also fresh pepper. Okay, so these are the two things I add very late. Alright guys, thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Tell me what you think about this sauce if you really like it. Alright, so these are the things that is going along with it, guys. You need to be in my kitchen right now to feel the aroma. Like, not only this will smell good, but it also tastes very well. So you see, you can use it to eat potato, you can use it to eat yam, or even plantain and rice. So it's for all purpose. All right guys, thank you and bye.